Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. I look back on my videos and I think it's been about 9 months since I posted. The reason being, without going into a long ass script, I basically, how can I say this? My mental health hasn't been the greatest. I had a mental breakdown. Things were not going too great for me. I'm better than what I was. I'm not 100%. But I thought if I don't make a video, I will just never come back to YouTube. So basically, here I am. So yesterday I did record what I'm going to show you now. But for some reason, I just don't know how to work my camera. I didn't press the record button. So I am back. I have basically NailMate acrylics that I bought. Also, I have a haul of HCS, some glitters, and Sparkle Supplies. I got some glitters from there. And also that got delivered this morning was Rachel Wilder's, you know, the little pots of acrylics. I bought some maybe 2 years ago, and I just wanted some more. If I haven't got enough acrylic, I certainly do now. Anyway, let's get on to what should we do. I'll do the NailMate Glitter Planet. I ordered some long nail tips, 500 pieces. These are coffin. Let me take one out. Let me take one out. So they look like that. How have you all been? I'm not gonna lie, I honestly have missed you guys so much. Let me know how you've been. So that is those. I also ordered, oh sugar. I ordered the Monomer 240ml. I did use it yesterday because in the video that I'd done, I was doing swatches of the acrylics. So I will show you the, acrylics and the swatches. I ordered 2 glitters, Lorna Lou, why Laura? Lorna Lou, a beautiful glitter, and then neon iridescent pink. I don't know why I bought this because I've got a lot. I'm going to stick this in the giveaway. Now I was talking before, I don't know what video it was because it has been 9 months plus, that I was going to do a giveaway, and I do still have the box full of a lot of nail goodies. So I'm going to put that in there. Also with the Sparkle Supplies, I doubled up. I ordered 2 of 1. I don't know why. I'll stick that in the giveaway. Also another one. So firstly I got 45 grams of the clear acrylic, crystal clear, dusky pink. This is, it says pastel. I don't know how many grams it is, but that looks like that. Very pretty. I love that a lot. Then, oh, I wrote it on here. Utopia, which is this one. Beautiful mylar. Love that. Then we got Baddie. This is really, really pretty. I love that. Then Spring AM. I put Spring AM. It's spring morning, but pretty pretty. And then Frillies, which is that one. Now this one has like some tiny strands in it. Now usually I hate a strand, but because these are so tiny, I don't actually mind them too much. But that's pretty. Right, let me pause you and let me move all this. Okay, next I have HCS Nail Art Supplies. I ordered one of these, like, it says Easy French Water Drop Cutter. I'm not too good at the old Smile line, so I thought this may become my new best friend. So we will try that out. I also bought some tips. Oops. Also bought some regular coffin, which look like this. And then I got some glitters. Now I know I did get I think it was a pack of 4. Yeah. Which was one collection. I can't remember what the collection was called, but I'll show you that after. So I got Birthday, which is really pretty. I like that. Summer Romance. Screams, clearly summer. Night Light, which is a glow in the dark. Tinkerbell. I think Tinkerbell and the other one I'm going to show you were in the sale. But this is pretty. It's a green pink, like a metallic pink, and then there's a matte white in there. And this one I think also was in the sale. North Pole, really beautiful blue. And then I can see some white stars in there also, and some snowflakes. And then this collection, I don't know what it was called. I'll have to go back and look. Lime Soda. Lemon Sherbet. Key Lime Pie. And then Berry Bonbon, which is cute. I like that one. Right, then on to Sparkle Supply. We don't need all that paperwork, do we? It's just going to be the old invoice. Right, I bought a collection here. I don't know if like all of them are supposed to be, I'll have to look, but I bought the cocktail collection, and I'm not sure, I'm not sure if that pink flamingo is supposed to be in it, but anyway, I got a pink flamingo, pretty. Sapphire Martini. Pink flamingo is not a bloody cocktail, is it? So maybe that's not in it, I don't know. Sex on the Beach. Love this. I've already got this, so I will stick that one also in a giveaway. Green Goblin. And then Mimosa. Then I ordered Punch Pink. Love these colours for summer. I got Love Hearts. I think that's from the Sweet collection. Bon Bon. Maybe that's from the Sweet selection. Mimi. It's a lovely pink with silver. Cornflower. It's pretty. See, I'm speeding through this because I want to show you them other acrylics. Slush Puppy. Love that one. Peony. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. Peony. Peony. Peony's a flower, no? I don't know. Fizzers. I think that's the Sweet collection as well. I got Suave. This is like a berry, and I think inside is like some black. Not sure you're going to see it on camera. Some black glitters as well. And then I made the mistake of ordering 2 of these, so I will stick one of these in the giveaway. Aura. I can't even read today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Aura, yeah. So we have blue, there's pink, and there's black in there. And then I got this bubblegum marble foil. Love that. And then I got nail stickers. Now, I don't know why I ordered these, to be quite honest. But they're cute anyway. These ones are really sweet. And then stick these back in there. Do I have a tray? Yeah. I got these, which says Triangle Charms. Now there's 10 in the pack. They look like that. I think they're really pretty. Where did I put that? Oh, here. And then lastly, I got this pot. It's got so it's got some clear clear crystals. There's some clear crystals, and there's 3 pink butterflies, 3 blue, and then there's these embellishments, some roses, some flowers there, and then these tiny cute little leaves. Which I think are adorable. I love them. Wait, let me pause, come back. Pause, you bastard. Please pause. Right, and then I got I placed an order with, I think I said at the beginning of the video, I ordered some of them, you know, the £1 pots from Rachel Wilder. I ordered some a couple of years ago. And I thought I would order some more. I ordered, I think, 30. It's like a lucky dip kind of thing. Here is my... Okay, I can't really show too much. This has got my address on it, but Rachel Wilder. Right, let me take these out of the little bundles and I will be back. Okay, that took me a while because they were dusty with a lot of acrylic over them. I didn't get any spillage, but they're just a bit dusty. Right, I have a few that are doubles, which isn't really a problem. I can just put them in the giveaway, but I can see a few doubles. So the purples, orange, the yellow, green, these two, brown, orange, what else, the blacks, and I think that's it. Yeah, these are 7-gram pots. Now these are the ones that I had before, which was Team Gorgeous, but now she, well, it is Team Gorgeous, but she's Rachel Wilder. There's no sticker like this one, Rainforest. It tells you what it is, so if you like the colour you can go onto her website and pick out. But with all these there's no name on it, which is a little bit annoying, I'm not gonna lie, but oh well. Right, that is it for today's video. I'm sorry that it's a long one as usual, but I hope you like the video. I don't know what to say. This is the awkward part for me because I haven't recorded a video in so long, and sitting here talking to my camera is a little bit alien for me, but I'm sure I will get into the swing of things. I am planning on doing my nails today. Oh, there's another thing that I forgot to show you. These are from Amazon. I've seen these all over bloody Pinterest. These really cute flowers. So it comes as a lilac, blue, white and pink, and then has these caviar ball thingies inside, different sizes. I already used these ones on my daughter's nails, but they're pretty cute. I like those. I don't know what I'm going to do with my nails, but I will record it if you're interested. If not, then I just won't record it, but I'll be doing my nails anyway. And I think that's about it. Thank you for spending your time with me today. It's been great. Wow, I sound so sarcastic, but I'd mean it. I appreciate your time. Thank you to my subscribers that are stuck by me. I was quite surprised I came back and only had a couple of subscribers unsubscribe. So, yeah, I'm proper made up. Anyway, I am off. Thank you all so much for watching again. Please take really good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next one. Bye for now.